Good morning, everybody. Colleen here from Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So it's another early morning. I'm off to work. It's a Monday. And I do have an interesting product for you today that we're going to try out. But first, as always, here's the shopping. There's some Almay here as well. I feel like people don't talk about Almay a lot. I'm not sure why that is, but there's this foundation. Skin Perfecting Comfort Matte Foundation. I don't think I want a matte though. But nobody talks about Almay. Why is that? Something interesting. In the Almay section, it says, foundation, adjust to your skin tone for easy shade matching. Now that intrigues me. And it's supposed to be lightweight, which is what I'm looking for the summer. It's something to consider. And some Burt's Bees here as well. Tulip tie looks pretty. With some of the liquids. Blush basin. I'm too close. There we go. I don't know. Lots of choices. Want something either coral or pink for spring. Today I have a really interesting product for you. It's the Almay My Best Light Broad Spectrum Smart Shade Anti-Aging Skin Matching Makeup. I think after all that said, it's actually a foundation base. So here it is. So this really intrigued me. I mean, it says My Best Light. It has SPF in it, and it says blend to reveal color. And I did get the lightest shade, which is 100 Pale. So I believe this is one of these ones where it has beads or something in the color, and then you kind of break it and blend it and then apply it. So that's what I think it is, but I'm not sure. But we're going to give it a shot. So there it is again. And this is what we're going to start with today. It is sealed. Okay, so I'm just opening it up. Just twists off, and you can see it's going to come out of the tube like that. So I'm just going to put some on my hand. You see it comes out white. And then I think what I do is I blend it out like this. See, it's interesting. It doesn't really change color here. So let's see what happens when I put it on. Got my handy little Chanel mirror here. I also am going to try this brush. So let's see how it goes on with the brush. And I don't really use a foundation brush, so this is my first time, but I got this one in my BoxyCharm this past month, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So interesting. It does seem to have some coverage, but you don't really see it. It's very interesting. I am going to have to apply more. I mean, if this works for me, it'll be great. I'm kind of after something that's a summer foundation. It's lighter. So I'm going to try a little bit more. see what happens if I use more around my nose, because it doesn't seem to be covering as much around my nose. And then let's just make sure we've got it all blended out around the edges. Okay, there we go. Not sure what I think yet, but I'm going to go put on the rest of my makeup and get ready for work, and I'll let you know once my look is done, and I'll come back and give you my first thoughts. So here I am back again. This is my look for today. This is such an interesting product, I have to say. I thought when I first put it on, I thought, oh, there's no color to this at all. But actually, there is, because you can see it in the brush. So, and it does match the parts of it that match my skin, do match my skin. But I feel like it's very, I feel like it's exaggerating my lines and wrinkles, and there's definitely a white cast to it. So, like, especially where I put it on twice, like here on my chin and around here. And I have put my setting spray on for today, so I'm not sure if I'm going to like this product, but I am going to wear it throughout the day, and I will check back in with you at lunchtime. But it's not cheap. Like, this was well, I'll double check the price, but there's very little in here, 1 fluid ounce. And I remember thinking, you know, for a drugstore product, it was a little bit up there in price, but I'll double check what that price was. But that's it for now. I will check in with you back again at noon, and I hope you have a great day. Here we are for our noon check-in. I'm getting more impressed with this, actually. It did settle in a bit to the lines. It did settle in a bit to the lines around my face, but overall, I think it looks really good. It's blurred these areas, and I'm very impressed with that. I think I would get a shade darker for the summer, and that would make it less pale. But I really like it. So here's my little Bonnie to help me say goodbye at the end of this video. So we hope you liked this content. Please like and subscribe if you did. We have lots of products left to go in our 30-day Mature Skin Makeup Challenge, and I'd like it so much if you would subscribe and come along with me for this fun little project. Oh, big yawn from Bonnie. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye-bye now. Oh, Bonnie's gotta give her a wave. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, people. Okay, bye-bye now.